Hey everybody, I'm Dennis Prescott. I'm here in Cambodia with World Vision Canada, and we're here to learn how World Vision's gift catalog and chickens are changing lives in this community. Today I'm in the Saang district of Cambodia, and I'm about to meet Sum Mon. She makes famous rice cakes, and she's gonna teach me how to make those and also tell me how partnering with World Vision's gift catalog has provided education for her children and nutrition for her family. So first off, thank you for having us. I've been looking forward to speaking with you for a while and hearing your story today. I know that you were given a gift of chickens from the folks at World Vision. Can you tell me about what you plan on doing with them?
នំហ្នឹងរាល់ថ្ងៃខ្ញុំធ្វើលក់ប្រចាំថ្ងៃហ្នឹងលក់ដើម្បីយកលក់ឲ្យកូនរៀនហើយអាធំមក6ហើយឥឡូវនៅសល់មាន់ខ្ញុំពងទាំងអស់ហ្នឹងគេឲ្យមកឥឡូវពងបាន3សបុកមុនអត់មាន់ម៉ែដល់លុយទៅរៀនរៀងបាក់ពេលមានមាន់បានចាំមាន់យកពងមាន់ទៅលក់យកលុយឲ្យទៅរៀន
How important is it to you that your children have that education?
ខ្ញុំសំខាន់ខ្លាំងអនាគតកូនខ្ញុំអត់ចង់ឃើញកូនខ្ញុំវេទនាដូចខ្ញុំឲ្យប្តីខ្ញុំចង់ធ្វើសំណាងរាល់ថ្ងៃមួយ2000សូមជ្រូកសូមចេកមួយ1000អញ្ចឹងថ្ងៃម៉ោង3ម៉ោង4អស់ហើយយាយមកវិញហើយ
All right, it's rice cake making time. I know many of these ingredients, a couple I've never seen before. Wrapping something in banana leaves is a process in this part of the world. I don't do it very often in Canada, of course, because it's hard to access. So I'm really excited to both learn the process and work with these ingredients.
ហើយលើកក្តោបមកចាំដាក់អង្ករ
We got 3 banana leaves, and we're gonna go in with rice. Just one.
ចារឹបវាមិនតិចទៅចងក្បាលចងតាខ្សែ4បានហើយនំសមជ្រូកស្រួលចងហើយ
Oh, the yellow beans.
យើងដាក់អង្ករដាក់ស្លឹកទទឹងស្លឹកក្រោយ2ហើយយើងដាក់ស្លឹកទទឹងហើយយើងដាក់អង្ករហើយដាក់សរ៉ែកទៅចាំដាក់សាច់ជ្រូកចូលហើយយើងគ្របសរ៉ែកមួយជាន់ទៀតចងខ្សែ4អាហ្នឹងសំណាំថានំជ្រូក
Now, like this.
ចា
This.
ចា
Ah, okay.
គាត់ប្រសាប់ជាងបងស្រី
Okay.
I feel like I'm much slower than she is.
It's fascinating to me. Often the simplest dishes are also the best. Some of the dishes that look the simplest actually take a ton of time and practice and attention to get just right. These look significantly nicer than my first one, which means she is well practiced, has made a ton of these, and obviously I can tell why people love them.
ខ្ញុំអត់ហ៊ានថាខ្ញុំខ្លាំងទេតែរាល់ថ្ងៃនំខ្ញុំលក់គឺអត់ចាញ់គេចឹងហ្មងយើងសបទៅឆ្ងើក្នុងផ្ទះនៅតាមផ្លូវនេះ
Okay. What an inspiring day to be here with Sum Mon to learn about her rice cake business, to learn about how a gift of chickens from World Vision's gift catalog is helping to empower her children to finish their education and also to ensure that there's food on the table every single day. Actually super delicious rice. The banana leaf gives it a lovely flavor as well. These are amazing, thank you. It's no wonder to me why your business is so successful. Push in like this.
Oh no
No? Not that way.